Now we are dual family, so we do celebrate both holidays. These I had bought. These already were in my possession. I had these additional ornaments. They're angels, so I hung them on those hooks that I already had in my ceiling. I no longer have a fireplace, so I just put the 4 stockings that just were decorative for me and my husband and my 2 dogs. I have such a small living room and no place to put a tree. I have these 2 5-foot tall pop-up trees, very narrow. They're in red tinsel, and I put one up in each corner. This is what one looks like. And to give it some extra height, I do put it on top of a box. And I have one over here in the other corner of my living room. This one is also on a box. And because I no longer have a full-size tree, I just used my old Christmas tree skirt to cover that over to make it more decorative. Everything I have on this tree, I already had. This tinsel I cut it in half and divided it between the 2 trees I had. These were just some cardboard candy canes I had already. And these actually were handmade. I crocheted these with tricolor cotton yarn, and then you douse it in some fabric stiffener, and I put a little glitter, and that's what I used on this tree. I already have this huge Christmas or winter scene banner of a park. I'm just going to put it right over this picture. I'm not even taking that picture down. I use this downstairs in my studio area, but I'm not decorating down there this year. So this is just going to go on the wall right in my dining room, and I'm going to just add some 3M hooks and it'll be done. So the banner is up and it's a great size. It complements the room. It's the right height. And it's just a very inviting picture. It's a scenic winter scene. So these are all the ornaments that I have left that I use outside. This is the only items I have for outside besides the planter I just redid and some tin or metal stake